Assalamualaikum dear students of class 5. Me your teacher Mushtaq Ahmad from Beria Foundation College Noshar Firoz, subject teacher computer. Dear students, today we are going to learn practical number first on Microsoft Excel. So dear students, first of all we will have to concentrate it how to open Microsoft Excel. Dear students, to open Microsoft Excel, we should press Window key and a menu is appeared. In this menu, our softwares are installed and the menu that is present in front of us. This menu displays all the softwares that are stored in our computer. So dear students, to carry Microsoft Excel, we should move the scroll wheel on our mouse and the softwares are coming one by one, and we will have to see that where Microsoft Excel is present. Dear students, you see this file is of Microsoft Excel program and we should click on it. So dear students, as we clicked on this file, our Microsoft Excel has been opened in front of us on the screen, and we will have to see that there are the cells in this screen and we have to concentrate that what we call them. So dear students, in Microsoft Excel there are two types of lines. One type is the column lines, second one is row lines. So dear students, on the top of this table or sheet, you see the alphabets, letters of English alphabets that are A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z, and at vertical side of your left side of the screen there are the numbers. So dear students, the letters of alphabet show the columns of the sheet and numbers show the rows of the sheet. So dear students, in spreadsheet, letters are known as the columns, or in other words you can say that the lines from top to bottom are lines in vertical form are known as columns, and lines which are started from numbers, or in other words we can say the lines from left side to the right side, or lines in horizontal form are known as rows. So dear students, in spreadsheet we can organize data in tabular form, and in tabular form we have to concentrate two types of the lines. Number one are rows and second one is column. So here we have to identify which are columns. Columns are indicated by alphabet letters and rows are indicated by numbers. So dear students, for example, here A is okay. A is column A and row number 1. Okay dear students. So if you are going to enter here numbers, for suppose 34, 56, 78, and in D, if you are going to count total entries that we have entered in all the cells, in all the entries, if you want to count all these entries in D, you will have to click in D. After clicking D, you will have to click on the insert function, that is the fx. Okay, dear students, when you will click on the fx function, insert function, this menu is appeared, and in this menu you can select a function of your requirement. If you are going to sum, or if you are going to add all these entries, you will have to click on the sum. So dear students, we will click on sum function. After clicking on the sum function, we will click on the OK. In this menu, number starting from A1 to C1. A is the column, 1 shows, A shows column A, C shows column C, and 1 shows row number 1. So dear students, this box shows that the entries, the numbers that we have entered in A1 to C1. Okay, dear students, in A1 we have entered 34, 56 in B, 78 in C, and in D we want to find out the total of all entries. So dear students, when we will click on OK, the total entries or the sum of the total entries will be 68. So dear students, in this practical we have find out the entries entered from A to C. The total of all entries in D is 168. And dear students, your lecture presented on Excel is winded up here, and your homework is to find out the total of these values. In C, 44, in B, in A, there are the value 20, and in B, there is value 80. Okay, dear students, and you will find total sum of all entries in D. After completing this practical, you will send the result of this practical on our WhatsApp group. Once again, dear students, try to understand your homework. You will have to open Microsoft Excel, and you will put 20 in A, 80 in B, and 45 in C, and finally you will calculate all the entries in D. After completing this practical, you will send this result on our WhatsApp group. Your lecture is ended here. Be permitted to the next coming lecture. Still Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum, dear students.